You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 22, Copying a Permission Schemes. Let's move ahead. As you can see, I have logged in into home.atlassian. Let's click on Jira Service Management. So most of the tasks that you are going to perform, you perform on Jira Service Management. As of now, you might have noticed that every time I am going to Jira Service Management. Now let's go to Jira Service Management and then click on Setting, top right corner Settings. Top right corner Setting, and then we are going to click on Work Items. Under Work Items, Jira Admin Setting, we are going to scroll down and under Work Item Attributes, we are going to click on Permission Schemes. On Permission Schemes page, which is Work Item Permission Schemes page, we are going to scroll down. This is the one that we have created, Test Permission Schemes for Jira. So we have created Test Permission Scheme for Jira. We are going to click on Copy under Action. Next to the same line you see, we have Copy. Under Action, we are going to click on Copy. And then we will move ahead. We will move ahead by scrolling down. Scroll down and you will see Copy of Test Permission Scheme for Jira. If you scroll down, you have the test permission that you have just created. Okay. Now, let's move ahead and perform another task for this lab. In this task, we are going to delete a permission scheme. So, again, on the same page as you see, we have Copy of Test Permission Scheme. Let me show it to you once again. I will browse it for you. Close. Home.atlassian. Click on Jira Service Management. Top right corner, click on Settings and then click on Work Items. Scroll down, click on Permission Schemes, which is under Work Item Attributes. Okay, Permission Schemes. Scroll down, next to Copy of Test Permission Scheme for Jira. Next to that, we have Delete under Action. Click on Delete. And again, we are going to click on Delete. We'll scroll down and we'll ensure that Copy of Test Permission Scheme for Jira is deleted. Close the window. That's it for this lab. What we did in this lab, we have copied a permission scheme and we saw how to delete it. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.